You know who this is, man. Big jet. Big jet. Here we are. Big jet. Hanging out in my office. Big jet. Big jet.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, still digging holes. All right, so we'll see how far we get. Yeah, just took the footings out. So just got the footings out of there. You can see how high I had to dig back there. That's about 2 foot high. It's all full of dirt. We'll see how far we get this week. I'll show you a little bit about where I'm at in terms of fixing the garage. Okay, so we've got some drainage rock chucked in at the moment, as well as the new Aggie pipe, but I need to obviously pick up a bit more, get some more corrugated iron, run those sheets down, drop some steel in there to reinforce the concrete, and then get some concrete. Hopefully we'll be done in the next couple of days and we get back to actually doing cool stuff, working on the car. But I need to keep you updated anyway. About 2 days left, actually working inside the shed workshop. Still, I'll give you a quick update about where I'm at and what I'm doing today. So, Aggie pipes laid in, just cutting up some corrugated iron and then chucking in some drainage rock, or oh man, what they call it? They call it something in the shop. Scoria. Yep. Hopefully have this done today. Have the sheets of steel in, backfilled with scoria, and then I just got to go and get the steel and hopefully concrete tomorrow. I'm going to try and cut out these big H channels, cut them out below the slab level, and should be pretty close to getting a wrap on it. Alright, so got that first H channel cut out. I've figured out the technique for it. I'm almost, you can see I've already cut through on the second one, but then I just wanted to also say this is like my all-time favorite. It's my all-time favorite track. Riga. This is my favorite driver as well. Laurie Heinen.
I just have a feeling there's just a feeling in the air here this evening in Riga.
I'm not sure what's more perfect than a Viantsek run. I'm not sure what more is out there. That run he did earlier on, I think is as good as we're going to see. So if you want to go higher than that, you've got to risk it. You've got to go to a place that you've never been before and do something you've never done before. And Heinen's been asked the question. There's nothing to lose here. He's in the show either way.
Well, we are about to find out as he leaves the line, and a big flick entry from Laurie Heinen as he comes rumbling through the jungle here in Riga. Full commitment and fully perfect so far. Can he keep this going? Look at the line here from Laurie Heinen as he fires that car onto angle out to the outer zone 5. Perfect and big angle as he comes into the wall. And down in front of his own fans, or the fans rather, and across the line goes Laurie Heinen. Roars from the grandstand.
Man, the dude is the fucking man. Alright, that's my favorite fucking guy. Best track.
I'm just wondering
just want to share that moment with you guys. So yeah, it's hopefully just got 2 days left now, and then we'll be back to doing all the fun stuff on that bad boy. But even then, I think I'm up to wiring or something really average. So we'll see. Should be the last update for this video. Backfield scoria is in, pipes ran. Tomorrow I'll go and grab some steel and some cement and start mixing it up and trying to get it all as sealed up as well as I can. And we'll see how it ends up. A little bit wonky, but it's going to be in the concrete mostly. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure that you like, comment, and leave your thoughts down below. And we'll be getting to work on the skyline in the future. Hopefully the next video, but I can't guarantee that.